Hi, I'm Dr. Lauren Gordan, and I'm a practicing orthodontist in Atlanta, Georgia. I earned both my bachelor's and doctorate degree from Howard University. I then went on to complete my master's in orthodontic specialty training in Chicago at the University of Illinois. A fun little tidbit, my orthodontic clinical team has given me the nickname of the Grin Goddess. Transforming smiles through orthodontics is truly my passion, and I find joy in seeing my patients' confidence grow along with their healthy smiles. The marketplace is definitely crowded with choices, but the Laifen Wave electric toothbrush is one that truly impresses. The main thing to look for in an electric toothbrush is its cleaning effectiveness. The Laifen Wave has the world's first 60-degree oscillation range, allowing it to reach challenging areas. Several of my patients have expressed this to me as well. The Laifen Wave's ultra-soft bristles are designed to be gentle on sensitive teeth and gums. This is crucial because firm bristles can cause enamel erosion and gum irritation. I have to say, I absolutely love the compact design. It makes it comfortable to hold, easy to use, and perfect for traveling. Just one charge can last up to several weeks, which is great for trips. And it even has a flight mode setting, so there are no worries about it accidentally turning on in your bag. Great question. Especially for patients who are already paying for orthodontics. Laifen offers a 3-pack of brush heads for just $9.99, making it easier for patients to get regular replacements without breaking the bank. This is important because worn-out bristles do not clean as effectively. It really does. The Laifen Wave cleans really well, is gentle on gums and sensitive teeth, and has a user-friendly design with affordable replacement brush heads. It's a tool I can confidently recommend to my patients for improving and maintaining their oral health. For anyone looking to invest in a high-quality electric toothbrush, the Laifen Wave is an excellent choice.